Hi there guys, and well, finally, welcome back to another video. Now it's obviously been a fair while since I last posted. I think one of the last few posts was obviously my van failing its MOT, which has probably got to be a good 7 or so months ago now. I know I've done a few odd jobs on the Docker, but all in all I haven't really had chance to post a lot, and obviously because of the van situation and the fact it's actually failed its MOT, I've obviously struggled for content. So what's happening? I feel like I should be kind of explaining to you guys what's actually going on, because obviously I've not been about, and some of you may or may not have seen that my van was up for sale up on Facebook not so long ago. If you're wondering what I'm doing, this isn't my van. As you can probably see by the colour on the door shuts, this is a yellow van, and I do not own a yellow van. That screws out. I'm helping Jonathan and Di strip this one down, because it needs stripping down. And I got a bit of time free, so I said I'll come and give him an hand. So that explains that question. Bloody thing. Why is it there's nothing holding this on? There we go. Brute force and ignorance seems to work.
Many hours later.
As you can see, she's stripped out a bit. By a bit, I mean a lot. So I need to get our door card off. That one's already off. Radiator's already out. Front end's completely... I mean, the engine's not far from actually coming out. Got a few pipes and stuff that needs to come off. So the story with my van is, as you probably remember from, well, it's got to be about 6 months ago now, it failed the MOT, and it failed MOT on rust, the sliding door step, and because that's structural, that's quite important. And then both rear arches and a little bit on the front arch. What else did I have? Headlights are the wrong colour. You broke the door around. There's a few random bits and bobs. And it got to the point where I was sort of thinking, right, what do I do? Do I fix it? Do I not fix it? How far am I willing to go with it? Because once you find a little bit of rust, how much rust are you going to find? And is it going to be one of those rabbit holes that once you start going down it, you're just never going to find the end of it? Why I thought that would be that size, I don't know. So it's like, well, what do I do with it? Do I fix it? Do I not fix it? And something I kind of haven't spoke to you guys about is, a couple of years ago, me and my partner split up, and obviously with COVID and everything as well, that added a bit more fun to it. And as you can well imagine, finances, they got a little bit tighter, let's say. So my van had to take a back seat because I physically couldn't afford to even think about fixing it. Now, I'm not telling you that because I'm looking for a sympathy vote or for people to feel sorry, or I just feel like would like to tell you guys I've met quite a few what I would class friends because of talking to you guys on Instagram, because of talking to you guys on here, and I actually have met some actual friends. I mean, like now, Jonathan, I met him because of my van, and I'm now here taking one of his vans apart. And I just want to explain, because obviously I was getting into doing YouTube, and then slowly but surely YouTube sort of took a bit of a back seat, because obviously it would. And I just kind of want to do a bit of an explanation, because I feel like I want to. That's just going to have to leak, because that's not staying there clearly. So yeah, that's kind of the backstory. Is my van, it took a huge back seat because it has to, and the more it sits there and waits, the more I lose interest in it, to the point where you guys have probably actually seen that I have actually put a post up on Facebook saying I'm getting rid of my van, please make me an offer. And I was very surprised with how many people were actually interested in buying that. And it was really touching just for you guys to be saying the stuff that you were saying how much it was you enjoyed watching my content and how much you guys don't want me to sell the van and all those things. It's really nice to actually hear and know that you guys think that. Is very touching, I'm not gonna lie. Like I said, I don't really want to get rid of it, but I have kind of come up with a bit of an idea of what to do with it. I will not be sharing that just yet. That's for a later idea, but there might be something coming soon, let's put it that way. For the time being, the van is still off the road and there we go, not up for sale. Not as yet anyway. I know some of you know what the plan is with the whole van situation. I have spoken to a few of you about it. And you will find out in due course, but at this moment in time, no, you are not going to know about it. Whoa. Fucking wires everywhere. If you guys are interested in any parts, by the way, there's obviously 2.5 TDI, gearbox. I have sold, I think, this wing, it's a glove box. If you guys are interested, just drop me a message. I did say to Jonathan I'd try and sell some of it for him because he's a very busy man and he's got lots of stuff, as I'll show you. Just everything that you'd want if you need to buy something for yours. So just drop me a message, drop Doghouse a message. If you need any work doing, drop them a message. I know they're busy boys, but be patient, they will get back to you and they will be helpful. But I just thought I wanted to give you guys a bit of an update, a bit of a where have I been and why. As you can very well imagine, I've been rather busy and my priorities have been a bit, oh shit, my priorities have kind of changed a little bit, but I'm back with more content. This isn't this is how you or anything. There will be some of those videos coming up soon, but just for now, this is a something. I did actually film all this yesterday, which is the most annoying part, and then I was taking the whole dash out, started doing this, and then realized that ran out of space and we ran out, so that was fun. But I think that's pretty much where I'm going to leave it for now because it's getting dark. I want to go and have some tea because I've already finished work and I've come and done this, so I'm gonna get myself gone, I think. But like I say, if you're interested in any parts, message the Doghouse, message me, and we'll figure something out because it's not on this van. It's on a pile of other vans that were here and are now in the graveyard in the sky. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling on. Hopefully this has been a bit of an explanation. Sorry it's been so long, but welcome back. You'll be seeing a lot more from Jonathan and Di. A lot more from me doing stuff, but I'm going to stop rambling on and get gone. Thank you very much for being patient with me, guys, and thank you very much to everyone who sent me the nice messages. It's meant a lot to me, but I'm going to get myself off. Fun and games. Anyway, as always, thank you very much for watching. As always, take it easy.